Hello, happy stay home day. Today your task in Schoology will be to open the particle motion of a gas simulation. Unlike last week's simulation, this one has a ton of different options for you. Up at the top, we have these blue boxes. You can set up the simulation and reset it. You can click go or pause once the simulation is going, and you can change how you're viewing it. You could follow a specific particle. Some of the settings that you can choose are the initial gas temperature, or how hot in Celsius this gas is going to be, how many particles there are in the gas. We know some gases are much more dense with a lot of particles, and some are less dense and would have fewer particles. You can also change how you want to visualize the particle speed, choosing different shades, choosing if you want the particles to have trails and how long you want those to be. Then you'll be able to see the particles moving in the box. Let me set this up with the just default settings and click go right here, just so you can see it moving. And then let me try changing a few settings just to see how that might impact what we're seeing. Cool. We can also change the speed up at this top slider. These yellow boxes give us some information. We can see the temperature of the entire gas and see if it changes over time. We can see the total kinetic energy, which we know is energy of motion of all of the particles. We can see how slow the slowest one is going, how fast the fastest one is going, and just keep track of these things over time. What your task is today is to simply explore this simulation. Try different settings, truly play around and see what you can discover about how gases behave at different temperatures and different densities, and just when you can view different parts of their behavior. You're going to create a Notice Wonder chart. You can choose to create this on a piece of paper and take a picture, or to use something virtual. For example, you could open the Notes app, create a Notice Wonder chart on there. You could even kind of split your screen so that you can see the simulation and the Notes app at the same time. And you'll, of course, be making 3 observations, 3 things that you notice, and asking 3 questions along the way. When you're finished with this, you can upload it directly to Schoology. It's one of the apps that should pop up as a suggestion for you. Or you can go back to Schoology, go to that Notice and Wonder Chart Dropbox, go over to Submissions. For you, you'll see that plus sign and be able to directly upload either a photo from your gallery or a file that you've saved to your iPad. Good luck and happy observation.